What's going on, guys? Skylord Studios 005 back here again, and today we're going to be doing a review of Drigger S. Yes, I finally got it. I know it's been a while. I think it released back in April, so yeah. Kind of a side note, I did get a new launcher setup. I got the white launcher with the white grip, so now it's like a black and white string launcher setup. But yeah, so Drigger S is a port from a plastic Genbei of the original Drigger. That I believe was on a metal sharp, and the gimmick was if you flat launch metal sharp, it'd be stamina, and then if it got tilted, it'd go aggressive. So that is why they chose the bit point. One of my friends actually has, or I think they've seen or used the original, and they're like, yes, it's actually very accurate. 480. This was back when all the plastic Genbeis got like 80 height ratchets, which we now know in the future they're the other two aren't, so this is kind of disappointing. But I do like it's a flat one color, very it blends in very nicely with the rest of the bay, making it look like it's all one entire piece. But yeah, 480 is not my favorite ratchet. It's probably my least favorite, but it is nice that we got a new point. Drigger itself looks like it could do some interesting smash attacks. Fun fact, one of my friends lost to a Drigger S stock in a tournament. So yeah, also you will see I've done a few test battles, and you'll see that this is like kind of tainted blue a bit. I wonder who that could be from. But the main battles we're going to be throwing it up against, just because it's weight class for plastic gen stuff, is Drigger S. You can see my Drigger S is all messed up already. I'm debating getting the other three Drigger S's, but I'm not sure, because there's the black TT one, and then there are two Hasbro ones. I don't know if Hasbro's going to do recolors of Drigger or not, but we will soon see. Let's get Drigger on a test launch. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And again, behaves like point, so yeah. It does look really nice. It almost looks white whenever it's spinning, but let's start up against Drigger. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Also, the reason why I changed the grip, in case you guys were wondering, is because, also by the way, Drigger 2 points, is because whenever I do this, it looks nice because it mixes better with the white than the red, in my opinion. So yeah, also big day tomorrow. Tomorrow's the tournament day. I will try to get footage of that tomorrow. But 2 points for Drigger S. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh. That is Drigger S. 1 point, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And that is a 4-2 Drigger S win. We're going to do one more game. If Drigger S wins again, we're just going to probably end the video. Let me shift my camera angle a bit. That way it works a bit better. This will be a shorter review, I will note, because there's really... It's 2 reused parts and 1 new blade, realistically. Well, we'll throw it up against a single battle. Not even a full battle. We'll just do a single battle with another blade that's in its weight class, being Shinobi Shadow, because I do know that Shinobi Shadow is a relatively light blade, and it's in the same weight class as plastic gens, meaning it's only 28 grams for the blade. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. But I did only pick this up because I have pre-ordered the protagonist set, and we know Dracil is coming in December, so I'll have all 4 of the Blade Breakers original bays. And yeah, no, Shinobi Shadow beats it. So we'll do Drigger one more time. For these battles, I do want to do one small change, and that is to switch the ratchets to ratchets I think would better suit the bays. For Drigger, since it has a very two-sided shape, we're going to give it 260. The Cobalt Dragoon Blue 260, because I think it lines up nicely. And then for Drigger S, ooh, I just dropped that. Especially when I thought I have the other 260. Because both of these are very two-sided blades, guys. So I figure why not give them both 260. I know, technically, yes, it is the worst ratchet, but in my opinion, aesthetically, it looks best. And I do have a nice looking silver one, so. Yep. Throw that on there. Boom. Again, it lines up really nicely on both of them. So, yeah, let's see them on a short two-sided ratchet height. Again, I'm still getting used to this new launcher. It's very tense whenever you twist them on, so you just kind of want to barely twist it on. But this is far more powerful than my original one. So 3, 2, 1, go shoot! If I'm able to launch it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, shoot. You can hear it, and it sounds literally like mostly plastic bass, so that's always fun. At first, I'm like, why are they doing remakes? Why are they not competitive? But honestly, now that I have like a few of them, or at least 2 of them, I can see the fun in them, honestly. Especially now that we're going to get Metal Fight remakes coming up next month. But yeah, no, Drigger S takes the first one. I believe Drigger S was originally a stamina type, but they switched to balance for X, so 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And 3-0, Drigger S. But I think Drigger was the stamina type, Dronzer was the balance type, Drasil was the defense type, and Dragoon was the attack type, so yeah. Alright, so yeah. I honestly think that the Dragoon one is more likely to burst than the gray one, because if you look at them, they are substantially different. But I will say this is a fun little color combo that you can do if you want to reference the metal. Yeah, reverting it back to its original parts. Oop. Bring it back on 480. Again, I just like how flush the bays look when they're all the same color as the blade. It looks so nice in my opinion. And then able to put that back. I don't know why they chose 360 for Dronzer. I personally would have thrown it on 460 as well. But yeah, so overall, I will say I do recommend this one over Dronzer personally, just because I think Dronzer, just since it's 2 blades and the weight disc doesn't really line up with it, it's not as good. Also, you get point, which is a very meta part. Again, I don't think the blade's really going to do anything. However, I have seen it win a tournament, so... Or not win a tournament, but win in a tournament. Also, I do like the lighter gray aesthetic, like that cream color, personally, a lot. So, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.